Imagine a country where trash isn't just waste, but the cornerstone of its economy. In the Gambia, they're not just imagining it, they're building it. Picture mango peels, cashew shells, and even construction debris transformed into the key resources fueling a nation's prosperity. This isn't merely a story about waste management, it's about radical reinvention. Discover the innovative ways Gambia is converting agricultural byproducts into high-value essentials, from biofertilizers that enrich their soil to eco-friendly construction materials that build their future. This small nation is on an extraordinary journey. What if the answer to sustainable development was hidden in plain sight, in the very waste we often discard? Gambia is demonstrating that these byproducts can be a gold mine. They're crafting everything from animal feed to cosmetic ingredients, setting a global precedent for a truly integrated circular economy. Join us as we delve into how this small West African nation is unlocking Africa's green gold. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.